Did you know that just 5 minutes of movement in the morning can boost your energy, focus, and mood for the entire day? Most people roll out of bed and go straight to work, but your body's still half asleep. What you're missing is something called muscle activation, a short burst of movement that wakes up your nervous system, improves posture, and sets you up for better performance in everything you do. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple activation moves that wake up your muscles, fire up your core, and get your blood flowing, all before you've even had your first sip of coffee. And the best part? It only takes about 5 minutes. Let's get started. These 4 movements activate your major muscle groups: glutes, core, shoulders, and spine. You'll move better, feel stronger, and kick off your day with energy and focus. We're starting with the bird dog, one of the best exercises to wake up your core and improve balance. Begin on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Reach your right arm forward while extending your left leg backwards. Keep your spine neutral, no arching or twisting. Pause for a second, then return and switch sides. Aim for 8 to 10 reps per side. This move activates your deep core stabilizers and the muscles that keep your spine healthy, the same ones that protect your lower back during the day. Next up is the glute bridge with a march. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up into a bridge and squeeze your glutes hard at the top. While holding that bridge, lift one foot off the ground, knee toward your chest, then lower it back down and switch sides. Go for about 8 to 10 marches total. This wakes up your glutes and hamstrings, your body's powerhouse muscles that drive most of your daily movements. When your glutes are active, your lower back stays happy and your hips feel more stable. Now it's time for mobility, the world's greatest stretch. Step forward into a deep lunge, placing both hands on the floor inside your front foot. Drop your back knee if you need to. Rotate your torso and reach that same arm toward the sky. Hold for a second, then return to starting position and switch sides. Do about 5 reps each side. This one opens up your hips, chest, and upper back, areas that get tight from sitting all day. It's called the world's greatest stretch for a reason. It hits almost everything in one move. Let's finish with an upper body activation, the plank to push up with scapular protraction. Start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Lower one forearm, then the other, into a forearm plank. Then push back up one hand at a time. Keep your hips level and your core tight. Optional variation. At the top of each push-up, press your hands into the floor and spread your shoulder blades apart. That's scapular protraction. Do 6 to 8 reps. This strengthens your core, chest, and shoulder stabilizers, the key muscles for good posture and shoulder health. And that's it. 4 moves, 5 minutes, and your body is awake. You've just activated the muscles that support your spine, opened your joints, and fired up your nervous system. You'll move better, sit taller, and have more focus and energy to take on your day. Try to do this routine every morning, or at least 5 days a week. It's light, so it's safe to repeat daily, and it sets a consistent tone for your body and mind. In fact, studies show that morning movement improves blood flow to the brain and boosts alertness. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Physiology found that morning training helped reduce abdominal fat and blood pressure, especially in women. Plus, it's an easy habit to keep. Once it becomes part of your morning routine, you'll feel off if you don't do it. So there you have it, your 5-minute morning activation routine. Give it a week and notice how much better your body feels. Less stiffness, more energy, and better focus. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more bodyweight and calisthenics routines, and share this video with someone who needs a morning boost. Now, get up and move so you can crush your day.